Friends, welcome to Defense News. HAL developed Hindustan Turboprop Trainer Aircraft Program, which is aiming to get a certification prior to its induction into Indian Air Force, has completed 8 turn spins during its trials in Bengaluru. The spin testing is most crucial and challenging aspect of flight testing of any aircraft development program, and now with the completion 8 turn spin test to both right and left, the aircraft is on its way to being certified. A few months ago, the aircraft has completed hot refueling with the engine running. The HTT-40 is an tandem seat trainer aircraft with the advanced features like zero ejection seats and multi-functioning displays. It can also be adopted as light attack aircraft. Its role includes basic flying training, aerobatics, instrument flying, navigation, night flying. Government to arrange new equipment to Indian Air Force. With the Ladakh phase of continuing, the government is reaching out to arrange new equipment for Indian Air Force. The Defence Acquisition Council, headed by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and including 3 Service Chief and Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, is expected to give high-frequency radios of 160 are likely to be produced. The DRDO's smart anti-airfield weapon, bombs to destroy runways and hangars, is also ready. The development trials are success to production issues will be discussed. Also regarding DRDO's repair vehicle for the Arjun tank will be in discussion. Quad members to counter China. Ministry level meeting held between Quad members countries. The senior officials of the foreign ministries of India, Australia, Japan and the US State Department held a video conference. All the 4 members of Quad have serious difference with China. India is engaged in a border standoff in Ladakh. The Australian government have pledged to halt projects under the Belt and Road Initiative. Japan is worried about Chinese appearance near Senkaku Islands, and the US is engaged in a trade war. During the Friday video conference, the senior official exchanged views on ongoing and proposed practical cooperations in the connectivity and infrastructure development and security matters including counter-terrorism, cyber and maritime security to promote peace, security, stability and prosperity in Indo-Pacific region. China's ongoing aggression and assertiveness has prompted the members of Quad to step up efforts both among themselves and with other countries in the Indo-Pacific region to forge a new supply chain and to enhance maritime security cooperation. China instructed Pakistan to send more terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir. China instructed Pakistan to send large quantities of arms and ammunition into Jammu and Kashmir to divert India's postings from Ladakh. To increase anti-India activity and unrest amid the border standoff in Ladakh, intelligence inputs reaching the government indicate that Pakistan's spy agency ISI has been instructed by China to execute a planned fraud Jammu and Kashmir with weapons. Recent seized items by security forces in the Jammu and Kashmir said that most of the weapons recovered have Chinese markings. Due to strong anti-infiltration grid established by the Indian security forces, Pakistan is unable to infiltrate neither terrorists nor weapons into the valley to increase the violence. Pakistan ISI have given a threat to push into maximum infiltrators along with weapons into Kashmir before one set of winters, because later bushes in most infiltration areas will die due to dew and snowfall. India-Japan non-contact naval drills in Arabian Sea began after India conducted an exercise with Australia in the Indian Ocean. Aircraft, integral helicopter and fighter jets will also take part in the exercise. Surface, anti-submarine and air warfare drills will also be conducted by the 2 navies. The drills come after India and Australian navies conducted a passage exercise in the eastern Indian Ocean region from September. A passage exercise is normally undertaken whenever an opportunity arises in contrast to pre-planned maritime drills. The Indian Navy has been an operational alert in the Indian Ocean, where scores of warships are ready for any task in after border row with China in the Ladakh sector. Indian warships are deployed from as far as the Persian Gulf to Malacca Strait and northern Bay of Bengal to the southeast coast of Africa.